Hey YouTube, this is my bike check of the Eastern Growler 2011. Start off in the frame. I got a top tube and bottom tube chromoly. And I got full chromoly bars, full chromoly forks, which I bent the dropouts on it. I'll show you in a minute. I got Shadow Conspiracy peg with Shadow Conspiracy peg cover, Animal GLH front tire with a G-Sport hub guard, Steve Churchill side my rim, because I saw him at a bike show, so I just had him try my rim. I don't know why. ODI long neck grips with ODI long neck barons. Odyssey twisted PC pedals in chrome blue, ice blue. Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat with nitrous seat post. Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket, and I snapped one of my bolts here, so they gave me a new one at the bike shop. They gave me a new one, and I got a Shadow interlock chain 2, interlock 2 chain, half link. I got a back Shadow Conspiracy peg with peg cover, and it's very worn out. Some people say that they chip really easy. Mark Sullivan. And I got a Eastern, I don't know if you can see, Eastern built-in peg, hub guard, back hub guard. Yeah, it's holding up pretty well. It's not that bad. I thought it would chip really easy, but it actually isn't. But I grind ledges and stuff, so it's holding up pretty well. The peg covers I'm gonna have to rotate now. RCA brake pads. It's okay. Oh yeah, here's the dropouts. I don't know if you can see, but the dropouts on my fork are bent. The dropouts right over here. Right over here, you can see it really good.
Right there, really bends right there.
It's really badly bent. Like if I do a 180 after a while.
You see it bending in.
Yeah. So I'm probably gonna buy a whole new bike because I dented my frame too, and it's just been having bad luck with this bike. Eastern quality right there. Here, take it off.
No, I got it. I'm zooming in.
Okay. Yeah,
right there.
Right there. Dented. All scratched up along here from grinding. It's not the best bike for like grinding and stuff because the forks bent really easily. I don't know why. They bent really easy, which I didn't like. And and as you see, the fork, now my tire bent, and it's rubbing up against my hub for my G-Sport hub guard. The tire bent because of the dropouts, so now it's rubbing up against my front rim. Yeah, see, it just stopped. It sucks. So that's why I'm buying a whole new customized bike, probably, or something else, I don't know. But that's my bike, and here's my hub. It's very quiet, so I don't care what you guys think. It's mad quiet. That's all good. And that's my Eastern Growler 2011. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Alright.